Hi guys, welcome to the Travel LK YouTube channel. Have a nice day everyone. The first stop on the Sri Lanka tour is Polonnaruwa. I would like to share with you information about the ancient site there. Okay, so let's go to the video. First you see the kingdom of Polonnaruwa situated in a beautiful setting. This kingdom was created by King Parakrambahu who lived in ancient Sri Lanka. This is an ancient place dating back to the 12th century. The sluice is a device designed to draw water out of a tank. The water is then allowed to fall into the pond. It is similar to a modern swimming pool. The bathhouse is located nearby. Designed with beautiful stone pillars, this creation amazes tourists. This is the water tank you see. This is a small tank that holds water. Now you are coming to Nishankamalla Latha Mandapaya. This was built by King Nishankamalla. This building was used for religious purpose. These are various carvings around this building. Among them are images of lion and elephant. These show the skill of artists of the ancient Polonnaruwa kingdom. There are two lion statues at the entrance. There is another large lion statue at the another end of the building. The artist tried to show all the features of a lion. The second chapter of our Polonnaruwa tour ends here.